Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking, and in this video we are going to look at the Google Docs series with edit feature number 7, delete. With that being said, let's begin. So, edit feature number 7 works best when one has highlighted a section of text or imagery within a Google Doc. So I'm going to highlight this text and then I will click on edit and then I will click on delete. This removes the text or imagery if there had been any present in the Google Doc from the document. Now, delete is different from cutting information because, as I shall demonstrate, when I paste something back into the document, it will not be the text that has been deleted. So, when I paste some information back into the document, it is from a previous period where I either cut information or copied it. As such, deleting information from a document simply removes it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.